fried rice. Today, I'm going to cook butter fried rice. First, we will prepare 4 cups of rice. Wash properly. And we will boil 4 cups of water. Add 2 chicken cubes. Two pandan leaves and 4 tablespoons of ghee butter. Once it boiled, we will add our rice. And we will cook this in the medium temperature. While we cook our rice, we will prepare our poaching. Add 2 cups of water, 200 grams of chicken, and season it with pepper, and salt. We will cook this for 10 minutes. Now our rice is ready and it's well cooked. By the way, I use basmati rice. Now our chicken is cooked. And we will just shred this to small pieces. Now we will start frying our ingredients. Add 50 grams of butter, 3 eggs, we will not overcook our egg. Add salt and pepper, then shredded carrots, shredded chicken, and raisins. Green beans, and our basmati rice. We will just mix properly with our other ingredients. Now it's ready. Then we will just garnish with spring onions. And prior to this, I steamed broccoli. Now this is my fried rice. So simple but so tasty. Thank you for watching. And this is now my butter fried rice. Easy and tasty. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification bell and share. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen.